shipment day. This is my con rods. I know for a fact because that's who I ordered from. Was Speedway. Yes, I got these off of eBay. I'm just covering up a piece of paper with, well, covering up what my addressing is. It's pretty much just, there we go. Now we don't need that piece of paper. Because nobody needs to know where I live, right? If you do, you're weird. You're some weird dude. So, these are not brand new con rods. Or, as far as I know, they're not brand new con rods. Holy crap! Got a Speedway sticker. Forged con rods. Alright. I can go hide there. I'm going to move that box out of the screen just in case. So. Not really advertising for Speedway Motors. There better be 8. Actually, because I don't want to mess with my glass plating. Like I said. Just hold it in. That's a receipt for something else you don't need to see. My goodness. Alright, so. Jesus fucking hell. Look at the rust on them. Well, I can just easily clean that out. Let's see how many more like that. Make sure they're kind of proper. That's the rusted one. More rust. Do you guys just leave this shit to sit in your yard for like a century? All I gotta do is put a little bit of cleaner on it, but yeah, this has been sitting for like a long time. More crap, but looks pretty good so far. I got a little bit of rust, is not much, but you can't really have much. You don't have tolerances like normally. Not too bad. Yeah. That one's good. This is what I'm going to be working on, so you really see what I'm talking about. I'll turn the light on. So what I'm talking about is that. Okay, a lot of rust there. A couple shots there. A lot on the side, like that. I'm pissed off with that. I only technically needed 2, but I was getting a set 8 because I'd rather a set 8. So I'm gonna put the piston rods and the piston heads or pistons together. That's today's job. Pain. Probably people that are just watching like, oh my god, what the hell are you doing? Don't fucking know, really. I don't know. Putting piston rings on? Oh, you're not doing it right. You're not doing it the way I would do it. You know what, man? Fuck you. Okay, don't be a douche. And I'm doing it because I'm doing it. And if you don't like it, there's the next video button there. You can hit that. I'm trying to do this, and I just don't care for any negative people. There we go. That was easy. Okay, so you got to put the wafered kind of thing, wavy thing out. That was loud. That sucked. Yeah, you got to do that first, and that's what it looks like. Piston rings are piston rings, so I'm not going to do every single one because that would be a pain in the ass. And you make sure you do the bottom one first. I'm pretty sure I got the bottom one. That shouldn't be like that. I think I fucked it up. Clearly fucked it up. See the gap. Yeah. It's gonna go in a little bit. There we go. Try this one more time. Okay, there we go. One. Back in place. Do I know what type of pistons these are? They're aluminum. I have no idea, dude. I know a lot about cars, but just not a genius. There we go. Piston rings, okay? I'll do 8 of those, but I've got to get this onto that. And I sure as heck am not going to just start beating on these things, because you can't. You cannot beat on this piece. But you need it in here in order to do it. So, I'm going to go outside, grab a C-clamp, and I'll be right back. So what you see is this 5/8 socket and a 7/8 socket. Why this 5/8 is in there? Because the outside of that 5/8 is the same size, or a little bit under, of that. But, more or less, it can get right in there just enough that it has to be just a bit in there. That's all I'm worried about. And the 5/8, I'm going to use it to press on. But it is a 6-inch. And that's the thing. This is like, there's no play. That's the thing. You don't want play. There's play in that, there's a problem. Okay? So, fun times. So, because I need it to thread, I have to use this side over here. And this thing is really cold, like the temperature on this is really, really cold. And the easiest way to line this up, just make sure you line it up with the casting, because it should be flush. And I'm just, what I'm doing is just slowly turning and pressing this in. I'm hoping this is going to go in, otherwise I don't know what's going to happen. Back it off for a second. Take a gander at it inside. Seems to be working. Now the parts that have rust on them, that's going to be a nightmare. if you can see it right there. I'm just gonna. Oh, all I can say is, oh, this is a pain in the ass. I'll back it off again, take another look. That hurts the hand. Okay, there we go. Grab my pipe from my hoist and a 3/4 wrench. Holy Christ. It's because I'm in a really awkward position. I have this sitting here doing that. I wonder if I could just... Because I gotta be careful not to break that glass. I should technically be using the table I made. Okay, I'll show you when I'm done, because this is hard. So, we have a big problem. Yeah, I decided I'm going back to fucking doing regular gaming shit into that stuff, okay? So, luckily I didn't damage it while I'm pushing it over. But, that's as far as it got. Mainly because, if you look at that, that is now bent. It does not go in straight. It bent my big 6-inch C-clip, but you can't expect much. That's stronger. So I've got to go get a hydraulic press. Not like a super big one, but I need at least a 20-ton hydraulic press. And I've got to get all these in there. I haven't even touched any more in here. There's that there. That's a fail today. I don't have the parts for it, or the tools. But it's not like I can put it anyways, because I don't have the connecting or the crankshaft. I don't have that right now. That should be in next week. So I'm gonna go look at getting like a portable little hydraulic press that's made out of heavy duty steel. At least a 20-ton that I can get these pressed in, and then that way they're fitted, because I've got a long ways to go. Because you can see it's not even there. Yeah, it's about halfway. That's all I can do it now. But I can't even push it out if I wanted to, just to put this away. So I'll just wrap this in like something not dirty. And put these all away, because now I'm stuck doing this, and well, I don't know. That is the next thing for the Mustang, but yay. I wish it was better, but it's not. So I'll see you in the next one, and like always, have a good one.